The Fed just cut rates for the first time in 9 months. This could send shockwaves across the market. So today we are breaking down 5 stocks that could outperform. Let's start with the first pick. Stock number 1 is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is the clear leader in AI chips and data centers. It benefits from the AI build-out across the globe. But the risk is simple. The stock is expensive and competition is rising. Stock number 2 is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Broadcom often shows up on growth screens. It has exposure to cloud computing and networking demand. This company benefits from structural technology trends. The risk is that semiconductors are cyclical. When demand drops, so does the stock. Stock number 3 is Vertiv Holdings, ticker symbol VRT. Vertiv powers and cools AI data centers. Think of it as the picks and shovels of the AI boom. They provide racks, power, and cooling infrastructure. The risk is execution and margin pressure. Competition in this space is intense. Stock number 4 is AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV. This company builds drones and unmanned systems. Demand is rising with global defense and security spending. The risk is clear. Defense budgets and regulations could hold it back. The valuation is also high. Stock number 5 is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is more than cars. The company is pushing into AI, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. Momentum is strong, but expectations are already high. Any stumble could hurt the stock. Now let's talk about key market dates. October 4th is the US jobs report. October 10th is the CPI inflation report. October 28th and 29th is the next Federal Reserve meeting. These events will drive momentum for the rest of 2025. Here's the bottom line. These 5 names have strong stories and strong growth, but each one carries real risk. Momentum can be powerful, but volatility is always close behind. This is the Profit Plug. Tapped in. Profits on demand. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this.